My name is Rhoda Magbitang, and I am the executive chef here at CanoeHouse in Mauna Lani. Hawaii is beautiful. It really captured my heart. The people are warm. There's everything you need and really nothing you don't. When the opportunity came to work at CanoeHouse, I jumped on it and I really never looked back. CanoeHouse has a really long history. I like to say I'm standing on the shoulders of giants when it comes to just helming the kitchen here. I have a really very close relationship with the people that handle our fish orders. They have a great network of fishermen that are local, making sure that we get the best and the freshest. I think the older I get, the more I gravitate towards food that I grew up eating. Top Chef is unique in a way that it forces you to be introspective. Now that I'm not doing it anymore, I have more of a gift of time to really hone in on ideas and presentation and flavor and how to amp it up. I like to experiment. We have some passion fruit we're fermenting with some bamboo shoots, putting a little bit of salt and passion fruit and turning it into a vinegar, or making these really wonderful bright punchy sauces with them. And I think it's so fun.